This is the Get Started video for all of the SINGER M3500 series sewing machines. In this video, we'll begin with a quick overview of the machine and its main parts. Then, we'll show you how to wind and insert a bobbin and how to thread the top of the machine. This will be followed by selecting stitches, sewing a buttonhole, changing presser feet, and changing needles. For more information about your machine, a full instruction manual is available on the SINGER website to view or download anytime. So now, let's get started. Before we thread the machine to sew, let's take a look at some of the main parts of the machine. Before we do that, let's plug it in over here and press this switch to turn it on. This is your hand wheel, and that's used to manually move your needle up and down. You want to make sure you always turn the hand wheel toward you. This is the bobbin winding spindle and bobbin winding stopper, and we'll talk more about those when we get ready to wind a bobbin. This is stitch length dial, as you can see from the diagram here, and this is used to make your stitches sew shorter or longer. This is your stitch width dial, as you can see from this diagram, and this is used to sew your stitches narrower or wider. In straight stitch mode, you can use that to change your needle position as well. This is the thread tension dial, your carry handle, your thread spool pin, and here you have a thread guide and another thread guide, and this is the bobbin winding tension disc. Here is the reverse lever, the thread take-up lever, thread cutter, and here you have your stitch selector dial, and this is used to choose the stitch you want to sew. Here we have a thread guide just above the needle and the needle itself. This is the needle clamp screw and needle clamp, and they work together to hold your needle in place. This is your presser foot and presser foot holder, and here is your presser foot lifter, and you use this to raise and lower the presser foot. It has an extra high setting for when you want to sew extra thick layers. This is your needle threading lever, and we'll use that later when we thread the machine. It helps you thread the eye of the needle. And back here is your buttonhole lever, and we'll use that when we get ready to make a buttonhole. This is the removable storage compartment, and it gives you a flat sewing surface in front of the needle, but you can slide it off, and it gives you access to the free arm. And this is really nice to have this smaller area when you want to do things like sew trouser hems or sleeve cuffs. And there's a hinged door here, giving you access to the bobbin. We'll talk about that when we get ready to wind a bobbin. Your removable storage compartment has a door in the back, and when you open it, you have access to a storage area where you can keep all the accessories that came with your machine. They're handy and at your fingertips anytime you need them. To replace the removable storage compartment, just bring it in from the left, slide it to the right to secure it in place. For more information about your machine and its included accessories, a full instruction manual is available on the SINGER website to view or download anytime.